What's next? So we continue to expand on the platform beyond VMDR by bringing in ICS and OT environment information. Also, we are now in beta for a SaaS security compliance solution so that we can cover additional types of assets as part of that VMDR platform, and expanding that to not just be for specific devices and remote endpoints, but also additional devices are being brought into that particular platform. And then, as we saw with VMDR, which is focused on vulnerabilities, we are also expanding the platform to bring in a lot more additional capabilities. We are very excited that soon we will be launching our response service around malware detection as well. So our EDR solution will be coming up pretty soon, which now will consolidate your vulnerability management platform and your EDR platforms into a single platform. So you can not only do the prevention work, which is detecting, prioritizing, and fixing those vulnerabilities that are being used by the malware, but then also to figure out with the same solution if any of those devices are still getting infected by malware through which may be coming through phishing and other areas as well. Cloud, which has been very big part of our platform. So we've had a very strong detection capability. So now we are also bringing the capability to take response actions on your cloud assets, whether your S3 buckets need to be fixed, your IAM roles need to be fixed. That's going to be cohesive part of the detection and response capabilities around cloud. Containers, we have been providing a way to look at the containers right from the CI/CD pipeline and at runtime as well. And now with the response capability, which is in beta, today we are also able to effectively block threats in real time that may be affecting your containers. So you can have a policy-based approach towards protecting those containers at runtime as well, and have an immediate response capability through that as well. Mobile device detection, as you saw in earlier in the slide, the ability to detect mobile devices, the inventory, as well as the vulnerabilities is being rolled out right now. And then soon we will also have the ability to take response actions on your Android, iOS, enterprise Android, iOS devices and the tablets that are being used to be able to manage corporate devices that have corporate data, even though they are on the mobile operating systems as well. And then, as I mentioned earlier, the SaaS security will also get a response capability so that your O365, your G Suite, you can really look at that and take response actions to be able to have policy-based approach towards ensuring that your accounts are being kept in your security posture and within the compliance umbrella by automatically taking the action as needed, so that the manual effort that goes into trying to combine these different tools is something that can be eliminated by leveraging these detection response capabilities all built on the same platform. Which brings to the last part, which is what we mentioned earlier at QSC in San Francisco as well, is now with so many different types of data coming into the platform and the ability for us to correlate and take response actions makes it very natural for us to expand the platform into being able to do security analytics and correlation directly on our platform. So we are enhancing the platform even more, bringing additional capability, bringing the ability to have a wider set of databases to make it a bigger data lake, so to say, so that we can take all these signals that are coming into the platform already with the different detection response capabilities, where Qualys is already built in. We will inject logs and import logs from some of the other sources where we don't offer solutions like firewalls, and then be able to do analytics on top of that directly, so that you don't have to take a large amount of information from the Qualys platform across these different modules and try to do a lot of the cooking yourselves in your SIEM solutions. So with that, thank you very much for taking the time and attending this. I hope that you enjoyed the talk and the demo, and we're excited to see you use the solution and to give us feedback, so that we can ensure that we continue to innovate as we have done with this game-changing VMDR solution as well. And so now you heard a lot from me about what we are doing in Qualys, but of course we want to bring in a customer perspective. So now we're going to switch over to the other segment where we now talk to customers to hear what they feel and what they have to say about the concept of VMDR and how this can help them in their specific organizations.